Hey, at least it came on.
What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be replacing the gear on the center drive line. So yeah, we're going to replace that center diff here. We have it right here. As you can see, this is the part. This is not frequently broken. It usually doesn't break unless big user error. Reasons it could break is you forget to put in the bearing. So the bearing was not put in, and now we have the new gear, and we're going to show you guys what to do because there's not many videos on this. So as you can see, there's a lot of screws that you're going to need to take out. So we took out the ones from the bottom, and then as you look right over here, we have those screws off from the top, and we're just essentially taking all the screws out of the drive line to get it out.
So we took these two, these two, these two. This is on the rear, by the way. Flip over here, you take the gear cover off and stuff. This part is self-explanatory. There's a cover that goes over here. You see a screw hole here, here, and here, 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 and then the whole cover lifts up. It's the one that says caution hot motor. I don't know where the hell it is, but it exists somewhere. There's the little piece that I broke because the bearing that fits in this, hole dedicated for a bearing, I did not put the bearing in. So, user error. I have nobody but myself to blame for this one. So far what I've taken is this screw, over here, this screw, and this screw out. Essentially what we're trying to do is separate the whole back end from the rest of the car. I'm following this very 360p YouTube tutorial, so wish me luck. Just a side note, look how grimy it is in here. Alright, so we forgot two screws, figures.
Did he forget those two screws?
There's two screws on the bottom side of this, on the bottom side of this, here and here, that obviously hold it in, and just, didn't think about that. So anyway, we got the pieces apart. So now that we've put away 60% of the Maxx slash, it's time to work on the other 40%. So, I'm trying to put these two screws back in. I swear to God, that was the right screw.
Time to watch the video. Never mind guys, it was the right screw. Let's go. We're still unscrewing bolts and it is 20 minutes later.
Bro, there's so many. I have no idea where these screws...
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, at last. Oh my God!
Holy dis! Let's start.
I think it might need cleaned and some grease.
Holy bro! How did that even happen? Bro doesn't want to clean it if it works.
Yeah. Sound good, I guess?
Yeah, that looks a lot more clean.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.